most romantic, like I don't know.
So amazing. Bad for my teeth. कॉफी तो नहीं खत्म करनी चाहिए.
Hi guys, it is a lot of days later. Like, I started this vlog, and after coming back from the cafe, I just couldn't continue with it because I experienced the most traumatic cramps of my life. Like, I was just curled up in my bed or the sofa, and I watched lots of movies, and I finished Musafir Cafe ki Netflix wali series. I did not do anything, and trust me, I did not have an ounce of strength to pick up the camera. But Aaj, I am having a pain-free day. So yeah, we're back to vlogging, and I got ready, showered, did all of that. So basically, it's a good day today. कोई pains नहीं है. I have lots to do. Video edit करनी है. I have a call scheduled at 4 p.m. तो वो भी अटेंड करनी है. एन अपॉर्चुनिटी केम व्हाइल आई वाज रियली सिक, बट मुझे ना नो कहने का मन नहीं था. आई जस्ट वांटेड टू टॉक एंड अंडरस्टैंड क्या होता है, कैसे होता है. मोस्ट ऑफ दीज थिंग्स डू नॉट वर्क आउट फॉर मी बिकॉज कहीं ना कहीं वो मेरे साथ अलाइन नहीं करती है. बट फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड, लेट्स सी. एंड या, लेट्स हेड इनटू द किचन, grab a coffee. I've already had my breakfast. बहुत simple chia seed pudding and a slice of butter toast. But it's time to get caffeine into the system. Let's head into the kitchen. I have been having hot cappuccinos for the past 3 days now, and अब ना बिल्कुल मन नहीं कर रहा है तब पीनी पड़ी because of my cramps. But now I wanna have my iced latte, especially salted maple iced latte. मुझे इतनी पसंद आने लग गई है वो. Like, I do not have it very frequently, maybe like once in 2 weeks. So yeah, I'm really excited for my coffee, and let's make it together. I hope you're not bored with me showing my coffee or matcha in most of my vlogs. Well, it's the most fun, exciting and essential part of my day. It is good, but I always mess up the amount of maple syrup that I need to put in. So I'm gonna add some more as always. कॉफी तो नहीं खत्म हुई बट इट इज टाइम टू हैव लंच एंड आज लंच में बने कड़ी चावल. आई मेड इट इन द मॉर्निंग, दैट इज वाई मैं बहुत लेट हो गई आज. बट या माई माउथ इज वाटरिंग एंड do let me know, are you the one who eats curry chawal for the pakoras? I mean, curry is good on its own, but the pakoras just take this dish to another level. I don't think so I can have curry chawal without the pakoras. Like plain curry would not do. Okay, it is around 2:30 p.m. and I just finished filming a few stories for Instagram where I shared my empties with you. Like I saved these empties for around 7 months. I'll make a highlight out of it. But for my people on YouTube, I wanna I'll not share everything, but there are a few products that I do really wanna mention because it might help you. ये मेरे लिए तो life changing थे. So firstly, I'm gonna show you my most repurchased product, and that is Nat Habit का rose water. Even the packaging has changed now. I have finished like 5 bottles of it. I think इससे ज़्यादा भी थी but मैंने सारी नहीं सेव करी because मैं दिन रात ये यूज़ करती हूँ. As soon as I wake up, like to refresh my face before going on my morning walks, मैं ये यूज़ करती हूँ. After cleansing twice a day, I use this. In between, अगर मुझे बहुत sweat आता है on days when I'm not wearing makeup, तो to refresh your face, मैं ये use करती हूँ. So I use it a lot and it's so good. मैंने इतने rose waters try किए हैं but by far this is my favorite. मेरी बहुत sensitive skin है, like I'll start to itch अगर मुझे कुछ ना सूट करे. But हाँ, this is a wonderful product and I would highly recommend it to anyone जिसको rose water face पे as a toner, as a like light cleanser, refresher लगाना पसंद हो. Do check it out. And my second most repurchased item is the Cetaphil के face wash. This is the oily skin cleanser. Like मेरे पास 3 empties हैं. This is how much I love it. And मैंने अपनी story पे भी mention किया. This is the reason why I feel like मेरी skin has been clearer. Like I don't think so I have had much breakouts after I switched to this. मैंने I think March में I switched my cleanser from Bioderma to Cetaphil and I do not regret it. Like it's just so wonderful. I feel like you have to use it to actually know how wonderfully it works because ये ना तो तुम्हारी skin को strip करता है and it does not irritate your skin but it gets the job done. You'll doubt at first कि क्या इसने सच में like मेरा face उतना clean कर दिया है because इसका texture ना बहुत अलग है. But no doubt this is hands down the best cleanser I've used till date and I cannot recommend it enough for combination skin or oily skin. This works fine. मेरी skin combination है, like I have dry under eyes and dry nose. बहुत weird है I know, but ये मुझे suit करता है. I think यही दो बहुत phenomenal products थे which I wanted to share with you. For rest of the products, go jump on my Instagram and look for the highlight. And yeah, that's it. Now I'm gonna go back to editing. वो भी अभी करनी बाकी है. I'll try to post it today. Let's see, वरना कल तो डालना ही है. Good morning, it is around 7 a.m. Please ignore my morning man voice. I am feeling like going back to bed, but वो मैं करूँगी नहीं. I've already changed my clothes because I'm gonna head out for my walk. But before I go, I wanted to share a thing with you. This has been my current obsession. Like I rediscovered it at a local shop. It's the Davidoff Cool Water Woman. And so amazing, so musky. Like I love musky scents.
and I just like to spritz like once or twice before going on my walk. And it's not overpowering, but it makes you smell fresh. I have been loving this every single day, and I thought, why not share it with you? आज की morning coffee AB is making because I'm just too tired after my walk.
Every day I make.
No, every day you don't make. They see.
Yes.
वो देखते हैं मुझे बनाते हुए.
नहीं बना. Every day I make.
No.
Hands-on conversation. Okay.
जितना मौसम आज सुबह अच्छा था उतना अब नहीं है. It is too hot and I'm walking to the salon because I want to get my pedicure in. It has been so overdue. So yeah, I just love walking to the salon. मेरे steps भी पूरे हो जाएंगे. By the way, I think I'm on 7,000-8,000 ish because I walked for 1 hour in the morning. I just completed my 10k steps there, and I feel like now I'm in a good place to talk about it. I have been doing this consistently for quite some time now. मतलब मेरी morning walks या badminton have been like going on in the background. Like मैंने ना इसको बहुत ज़्यादा announce नहीं किया पहले because कई बारी ना खुद की नज़र लग जाती है and you stop going to that activity. But अब I feel like I'm in a very good place जहाँ पर I've built a consistent routine. I wanted to get out of this sedentary life so badly. Like I am so proud of myself, but this is not the reason I turned on the camera. I turned on my camera because my groceries arrived, and is it even my vlog if we do not do a grocery haul? So let's do one quickly. First up, the puff pastry sheets to make veg patties, the aloo patties that we have been eating since our childhood. तो हाँ, वो बनाने का बहुत मन किया, so I ordered this. Agapi Greek yogurts. Peach, this is my favorite, if you know, you know. Blueberry, strawberry, some frozen blueberries to go along with my yogurts, or my chia seed puddings, a block of cheese, almond milk for my coffees, suji, and Lysol for a clean house. Okay, let's prep for dinner now. I'm gonna air fry these potato fries at home, and I'm also thinking of making bread pizza for dinner tonight. It's gonna be lit. And by the way, it's Friday. Happy Friday. We're obviously gonna put on a movie. I try to not have traditional Indian meals Friday raat ko
Fridays are usually our movie nights जब I make something interesting या फिर we order in, which happens rarely. Usually I'll make pizza and all of that. But मेरे पास पिज़्ज़ा डो बॉल्स जो मैं फ्रीज करती हूँ वो प्रेप्ड नहीं है. So I'm gonna make bread pizza. We're gonna make the best out of everything we have. So yeah, let's get going. Okay, the fries are in the air fryer and the bread pizza is ready to go in the oven. I am gonna wrap up this vlog here, but if you made it so far, comment this emoji, probably a pizza emoji, so that I know you're the real one and you made it so far. Know that I'm so grateful. Thank you for hanging out with me, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.